Lights fall slow in silver dust, shadows move away. No frame, just living my truth. Before the curtain starts to fall, velvet air quite gold. Every second stretched in you, the water soft inside the lens, and I step through. I am cinema atmosphere, light before the scene, living in the in-between, where silence glows unseen. My life is my own cinema, choose right rain and showtime. I have no time for fake friends. Grand of light across my skin, nothing falls, no spotlight glare, just breathing